show you how to make honey candy. It's not made of honey, it is made of sugar. I love this candy. It's very juicy and sweet. Please try this, very easy to make. If you like this video, please click on like button. If you are seeing my video first time, please do subscribe. Follow me to the kitchen. Maida, sugar, yeast, food color and warm water. First add 1 spoon of sugar to the warm water. Now add yeast. Mix well. Now close and keep for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we'll make the dough. Now pour the mix to the Maida. Now add food color. Mix well. The dough is ready. Spread some oil on the top. Now close and keep for 1 hour. After 1 hour, we will open and see. Add some more Maida to make the dough soft. The dough should be like this. Same texture of chapati dough. Now spread some Maida and we will roll it. Like this. The sheet should be this thick. Now we'll cut it with a small cap. Like this. Cut it like this. Take another plate and spread some Maida. Now we will keep the coins separately. like this. Keep like this for 10 minutes. Now we'll make sugar syrup. Pour some water and put some sugar. Switch off the flame and the sugar is melted. Like this. Now we will fry this. Heat a pan and pour some oil. It's coming like a ball. Fry in medium flame. Once it is fried, we'll put in sugar syrup. Now it is fried, we'll put in sugar syrup. Just keep in sugar syrup for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we'll take it out from the sugar syrup. Now keep it separate like this. Otherwise, it will get sticky. Try the next batch. Now it's ready, we will decorate with sugar powder. See, it's very juicy. My honey candy is ready. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share with family and friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Bye.